Sew a sample patch in double woven fabric, not in elastic fabric. The first seam is a straight stitch. This is the most normal seam to use. You need to backstitch in the beginning and at the end. The second one is also a straight stitch, but you have a longer length between the stitches. You can use this when you are going to gather or when you just want to try to sew something and you can unpick it easily. The third stitch is a zigzag stitch with 3 stitches in it. You can use this in a thinner fabric when you want to sew on the edges, so you won't fray the edges. The fourth stitch is a normal zigzag stitch. You use this on edges so you won't have fraying edges. Seam number 5 is also a zigzag stitch, but you have shortened both the length and the width of the stitch. You can use this in elastic fabrics instead of a straight stitch. There are many other seams, decorative seams, but you might have to use a presser foot which gives more space for the seam. It is also important to use the correct needle in woven fabric. You should use a thinner needle in thin fabric, and as you see, there are also needles for jeans. It is important to have a sharp needle, so from time to time feel the tip of the needle. If you feel something catching your skin, then you need to change the needle.